Hi, I'm Katie with Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our Picture Perfect programs. We have several that offer different degrees of coverage to make sure that your property is taken care of within your budget as well as your needs. Our Premier program, which is our middle stage program, covers everything to do with the health of your lawn, just as the Prime program does, but it also includes the coverage of a weekly mowing service during the growing season. The Premier program covers a soil sample, which is taken at the beginning of the year and evaluated to discern the nutrient levels, pH, and other important factors present within the quality of your soil. These are vital to the success of the health of your lawn, which as a result impacts the appearance of your turf. The Premier program also includes a 7-step fertilization program that covers not only fertilizer, but also pre- and post-emergent weed control and a lime application performed in the fall. This program is developed and tested in-house by our Picture Perfect team so that you know that your program is not only customized, but also optimized for our area and soil needs. Additionally, the Premier program includes an aeration seeding service each year done in the fall. The double core aeration is great for loosening the soil, and the seeding service puts down a triple blended turf type tall fescue seed that is certified blue tag, so you know that it doesn't include any weed seeds and is being put down at an optimal rate to encourage healthy turf growth. What makes the Premier program unique from the Prime program is that it includes a weekly mowing, trimming, edging, and blowing service. This weekly coverage is great because even if your lawn doesn't need to be mowed every single week, like in the middle of summer when it gets stressed out, or at the very beginning or very end of the season when its growth has slowed, you still have the coverage that includes blowing off of any hard surfaces and making sure that the property is clean and presentable every week of the growing season. While the Premier program is great because it covers all of your basic needs for not only the health of your lawn, but also the maintenance of it with cutting, you should take a look at our Plus program here that includes supplemental services that make sure that the health of your lawn is taken to the next step by providing nuts edge, grub, and disease control each season. If you have any questions about our Picture Perfect programs, want a quote on the Premier package, anything of that sort, be sure to contact our office and make sure that your lawn is able to be picture perfect this season.